Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, we've got some windy conditions out there this morning as a system that has moved through the area last night and has strengthened off the New England coast. Continues to bring some strong gusty winds to us this morning. We've got a wind advisory out for wind gust over 25 knots, and we'll continue to see that wind advisory likely out for the next couple of hours before those winds die down a bit as we go through the late morning and afternoon hours. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see the frontal boundary that moved through yesterday and brought lots of rain to the Wallops region has moved off the coast. Area of low pressure really starting to strengthen off that New England coastline, bringing some very strong winds to the New England coastline this morning. Again, we're seeing some northwesterly winds as that system really cranks up this morning, continuing. But as that system moves off to the northeast, we're going to see those winds gradually begin to die down this morning and continue to do so as we go through the afternoon and evening hours. Looking at our current radar and satellite analysis, you can see those rain showers that we saw early this morning quickly moving off to the northeast, and we're going to see dry conditions for the remainder of the day, with those clouds also decreasing as we go through the next couple of hours, seeing mostly sunny skies as we go into the afternoon today. Currently out there, we do see the broken deck of clouds at 4,000 feet, and then multiple decks as we go up in height, one at 13,000 feet, another at 19,000 feet, and then we see that broken deck at 25,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities. We'll see those cloud decks begin to decrease and see mostly sunny skies as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours. Winds currently sustained at 14 knots with the gust up around 25 knots. Again, we'll see that wind advisory continuing for the next couple of hours, and then we'll likely be able to cancel it before we get to the noontime hour today as those winds begin to drop off as that storm system moves farther to the northeast. Currently, we have a temperature of 48 degrees and a humidity at 90%. Looking at the next 24 hours, again, we'll continue to see breezy conditions this morning with those winds dying down as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours. As we go into the afternoon today, we'll see the winds sustained around 10 to 15 knots, dying down later this evening out of the southwest at 8 to 13 knots, and continuing to see pretty cool conditions, a pretty cool start to our day with those temperatures dropping into the 40s overnight last night. We'll rebound into the upper 50s, but I think we'll struggle to hit 60 degrees today, even with that abundant sunshine this afternoon. Overnight tonight, temperatures falling into the upper 40s once again. Winds out of the southwest dying down overnight. We'll see those southwest to westerly breezes at around 4 to 8 knots as we get up early tomorrow morning on Tuesday. Low temperature expected at around 48 degrees. Looking ahead to the next couple of days, temperatures will rebound pretty nicely on Tuesday. We'll see a pleasant day out there, partly cloudy skies with a high of 65. And as we go into Tuesday night, we'll see those temperatures falling into the 40s once again, a low temperature expected around 46 degrees. And then for Wednesday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies as we'll see a backdoor cold front begin to drop south of the region. We'll see a slight chance of a late rain shower during the late afternoon and evening hours as that frontal boundary actually makes its way back north as a warm front late in the day on Wednesday. We'll see a daytime high temperature expecting of 65 degrees, and again, just a very slight chance of a late rain shower during the afternoon and evening, but most likely will stay dry for your Wednesday. That'll wrap it up for today's daily operations weather brief. We'll be back again at 10 o'clock for a look at your extended outlook. Have a nice morning.